Come to think of it, you've been getting around, haven't you? Carlton, the lawyer. You're the wife of a politician, Michelle. You try and keep your legs closed.
Listen to me, Marcus. I am sorry for what happened, but if you for 1 minute think that I'm going to allow you to disrespect me like this, no way.
Me disrespecting him. You have disrespected yourself, Michelle. You're saying that I turned you into a slut.
You, Marcus. You think I wanted this to happen?
I think you did.
Marcus, you will never get it. I chose you. I loved you. But there was something missing. I made a big mistake, and every day I wish to God if I could just take it back.
For 18 years. And you couldn't say something then?
I didn't know. Or at least I don't know.
You know what? Come to think of it. That same night, 18 years ago, when I went to assist my brethren down at Rima, and you threw a fit. When I came home, you were quite inviting, almost as if you had planned on planting the seed that you and Carlton made. Michelle, was it good? Did you enjoy it?
Don't, Marcus.
Don't what? I need to know. Me need to know. Was it good?
Yes! That's what you want to hear. Yes, Marcus, yes!
Was he the one you wanted all along? Was marrying me just a convenience because I was moving up? Your true colors are out, Michelle.
You're the one I wanted, Marcus. I was just jealous of Carlton. Jealous of what they had. And I thought that I deserved it more than she did.
Okay. Now your tears mean nothing to me. You cut me deep. I love you, Michelle. Despite not being the perfect husband.
I can't continue like this, Marcus. I'm going to go.
Go where? I sold the radio station for 12.7 million US.
What?
And just to remind you, you signed a prenup. So you have nothing to get. Not even quarter if you walk away. So go on back to Westmoreland. Go on back to your little hut. I'm gonna find you.
I've loved you for years. But even that was a difficult task.
It wasn't any easier for me, Michelle.